We've come to the end of our course now, and I really do hope that you've enjoyed this AutoCAD Essential Training course. I also hope that you've learned all the key skills that you need to know to develop yourself as an AutoCAD user. The whole idea of this particular course is that it ties in beautifully with the Learning AutoCAD course, also available in the library. So once you've done Learning AutoCAD, which takes you through all the basic methodologies and terminology you need to know, you would do this course, the AutoCAD Essential Training course. Once you've combined those two courses together, you should have the necessary AutoCAD skills to function in any AutoCAD office anywhere. So you should be able to create drawings, create title blocks, work with external reference files, add all of your annotation to communicate your design intent, and also know how to reuse content with things like blocks and dynamic blocks as well. So I do hope you've really enjoyed this course. I do hope you've got the skills you need. And I really do look forward to seeing you in another AutoCAD course in the library sometime soon.